Yeah, 2035. But do you think the groundwork is being done right now for alternatives like hydrogen, like LNG for that matter as well, as an alternative?
Well, definitely. I think global companies as well as various governments. I think they will have to kind of juggle between the energy security, which are more in kind of a heightened so-called threat in the near term versus the long-term transition away from fossil fuel. So energy security, the reliance on kind of one single source of energy imports, particularly in this case, Russia, who are one of the biggest exporter in the oil and gas market globally. So, for example, in Europe, if Europe decides to kind of cut down on the natural gas exports out of Russia, so what can they do? Renewables, definitely it's a long-term development, but in the near term, we have to fill the supply shortfall from Russia as well. So I think globally, various governments and also for the companies as well, that will be a balance between near-term and the long-term transition. So near-term, probably that fossil fuel, oil and gas or even coal might get a little bit of a revival in terms of exploration, spending, and kind of a volume outputs. But in the longer term, renewable and for example, hydrogen will definitely be something that will be developed by various governments and also by the companies as well.